Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about chapter number 16, garbage in, garbage out. So first of all, we will try to find out what is garbage. Garbage means anything which is not of our use. Anything which is not of our use, but it can be used by any other person or in any other way. So garbage, when we talking about the garbage or the waste product, there can be two types of waste product. First is your biodegradable waste, biodegradable waste, and next is your non-biodegradable waste. So there are two types of waste, biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste means all the waste that is related with the living beings, like the plants, okay, like the peels of the fruits, like the you can say leftover food that is in the biodegradable waste that we will obtain from the living beings. And non-biodegradable waste, like your plastics are there, metal wastes are there, and your glass pieces are there. These are the type of the non-biodegradable waste. Now these biodegradable waste we can use for making the compost. Yes, we can use this biodegradable waste for making the compost, to making the manure, which is the best for the growth of the plant. Yes, this manure is best for the proper growth of the plant. And this non-biodegradable waste we can use for the recycling. We can use for the recycling. And that's why if we will just separate this biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste at our home, it is a good practice. So we can use green color dustbin to put the biodegradable waste, like your leftover food is there, peels of the fruits and vegetables are there. And for the non-biodegradable waste, we can use the blue color dustbin or the red color dustbin. Okay, so now biodegradable waste which is used by the compost, which is used to make the compost with on a commercial scale. On a commercial scale, if we will want to do that practice, then we can increase the quality of the compost. We can increase the you can say making the compost very fast. Then we can do it with the help of the red worms or the earthworms. And this practice of making the compost with the help of the red worms or earthworms, this is known as the vermi composting. This is known as the vermi composting. So vermi composting means when we just do the process of composting with the help of the red worms and earthworms. The same practice is there, only we have to add the earthworms and red worms in the soil along with the biodegradable waste, and just cover the pit with the soil loosely, add some amount of the water, and the most important thing, the temperature will be moderate one, means not so hot not so cold, because these worms, these red worms or earthworms cannot survive in very cold condition or in a very hot condition. So now with the help of the process of the composting, we are not only get free from the you can say garbage, we are not only get free from the waste, and second of all we are also getting the compost which is best for the growth of the plants, and we will avoid the use of the fertilizers which is not good for our health. Now we will discuss about the process of composting and vermicomposting. As we had discussed earlier, composting means when the biodegradable waste converted into manure. So this is a practice to which is support the our ecosystem. It is a practice to recycle the biodegradable waste. It is a practice which is must for the plants, and we can get freedom from the waste products. We should not burn the leaves and the, you can say, waste from the any other things. We should use the waste from the trees are there, leaves are there, and remains in the fields are there. we can use it for the process of composting, because when we burn anything, it will produce harmful gases and toxic gases which are not good for our health as well as for our environment. So composting and vermicomposting is the best way to get rid from the biodegradable waste. So let us find out how we can do it. It's a very simple process. First of all, dig a pit at the place where there is a no sunlight straightway. Okay, where is the place at the corner of your home where it is comfort for you. Now first what you have to do, add biodegradable waste into this pit. Biodegradable waste, like you can say leftover foods are there, peels of the fruits and vegetables are there. Okay, also that you can add the powdered eggshells and the seashells will be there. So these are the biodegradable waste. Put it into the pit. And after that just cover it with the layer of soil, a thin layer of soil. And first of all just cover that, fill that pit with the biodegradable waste, one layer of biodegradable waste, one layer of soil, again one layer of biodegradable waste, one layer of soil according to your space. Now you can add the cow dung also, you can add the pieces of paper also, which we will obtain from the living beings, or which ones are a part of the living beings that are under the category of biodegradable waste. Now cover, and after that you have to sprinkle some amount of water. Now when you are making the pit, you have to take care the temperature of that place is not, it should be moderate one. Moderate means not so high and not so low, because when we are going to add red worms and earthworms there, red worms or earthworms, they can't survive in a very high temperature or a very low temperature. So that's why I'm saying dig a pit where there is a no direct sunlight. Okay, now just taking care of the temperature and sprinkle some amount of water and cover that pit with the help of the you can say soil, with the help of a biodegradable waste. Now take some red worms or earthworms and add into the pit, and now cover this pit with the layer of grass or the gunny bags. Why we had just you can say cover this pit with the layer of glass or the gunny bags? Because so that the birds cannot eat the insect. So it is clear. First of all we will dig a pit, we will add biodegradable waste into it. After that we will add some amount of the water, and after that we will add red worms and the earthworms into it, and at the top we will cover it with the layer of grass or the gunny bags, and be ensure that there will be the spaces between the waste, means we have to just put them here with proper space. Now what the precaution we have to take, we should not add, or you should not add the pickles or the you can say dairy products, or you can say any oily products or the sour products into the pit, because if we will do like this, then the disease causing organisms can be grown up there. So don't add pickles and dairy products and oily products into that pit. And for more to get the better result, we can add the eggshells or the seashells. Now naturally red worms are there, earthworms are there. They will just grind the food with the help of a structure called the gizzard, and after that, after the 1 month, you will find that all the biodegradable waste, it will convert it into manure, and this manure is best for the growth of the plants. It is eco-friendly and it is good for your health.